Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix unresponsive GoPro Lit Hero touchscreen. Okay, so you can see if my camera's touchscreen was unresponsive. It is responsive now, but if it wasn't, then I could do one thing to fix it, which is pressing and holding on the power button for 12 seconds to force a reboot, also called a soft reset. So let's press and hold for about, on the power button. Yeah, never mind. Let's press and hold on the power button for 12 seconds. And if it just powers off, then probably it's all fine. You can just turn it on. But if it's freezed, if the device is freezed, then you'll actually need to hold for those 12 seconds at least. Otherwise, it just won't turn off. But that's how you do it. In my case, it turned off normally. But if the device was freezed, then you would need to press and hold for 12 seconds. It'll automatically restart. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.